Good morning, one and all. I am Saloni, and today I have brought the one of the activities is called blogging. I thought to bring this activity to let my audience know that how it is conducted and how it is generally performed. How can we enhance our English with the help of the blogging? So I have brought here. So please guys stay connected until the end of the videos so that you can get the informative things. You can also implement to enhance your own English. That will be literally awesome. So without getting further delay, let's get started. So there are two students whom I have brought here, and I thought that I would also ask the questions in the between after the opening line. So let's get started. Good morning, one and all. Welcome back to my channel. I am Saloni, and today I'm going to do the blogging in the particular institute of the Bhosri, Pune, that is called the Career of Computer Institute, where the different types of the courses are provided by the founder of this institute, like advanced Excel, CorelDRAW, the Excel, even MS Office, Tally, the programming languages, Java, Python, all these courses which are provided side by side as spoken English. So these students are the part of the spoken English. So I'm going to start with the beginning. So guys, as you can see that this is the particular institute of the Pune where so many students come in order to get the admissions and the different courses where they love to learn, they love to get the enrollment, and with the help of that they continue their journey of the professional courses. So I have brought the two students already, they are sitting here. I would ask them a lot of questions regarding their courses, regarding this institute, how this institute is. So as you can see that this is the institute named Career and Computer Institute, where the so many students come and get the enrollment in the different types of the courses where they study like computer as well as the spoken English. So let's start with one. So sir, hi.
Hello.
Could you please introduce yourself concisely?
Yes,
Okay.
it's me. My name is Riyaz Sheikh,
Mhm.
and I'm living in Moshi, Pune.
All right.
And my qualification is I am recently pursuing the 11th standard.
Mm.
And in my family there are 6 members.
All right.
And my hobby is to play cricket.
All
That's it.
right, that's good. So, sir, since when you joined this institute?
Uh, I joined institute before 1 month. The 1 month
Okay.
is completed, 1.5 month.
Okay. So, could you please review something about this institute to my audience?
Yes,
Mm.
this institute is located in Bhosri,
Mm.
and in this institute there are many courses,
Mm.
but I am only doing the spoken English because in the spoken English classes, the Saloni ma'am takes the class and he provide many and she provide me and she do many activities on regular basis such as
Okay.
public speaking activity, blogging activity, etc. So uh, she also gives us some tips and tricks to improve our English.
Okay.
That's
That's too good. So, as you have been taking spoken English class, so how do you feel? What improvement that you have made so far? As you said, it started 1.5 month before. So far, what improvements that you have made?
after starting in earlier day, I can't speak English confidently,
Okay.
and I stuck in between many times.
Mhm.
Uh, after 1 month, I I built my confidence very much, and I can speak confidently English. And little bit I improving my voice modulations, hand gestures, etc.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Would you like to tell about the teaching quality, how it is provided side by side? What is the atmosphere of this institute and the classroom?
The institute and classrooms are very good. because there are many supplies. Means if you want to drink water, there is a cooler for cold water and as well hot water. And in the institute, in a classroom, there is a whiteboard where our teacher teaches us in spoken English. And as well as in the institute, there are lots of computers where students are doing their practice regularly, as well as they completed their courses and learn the languages through it. Okay, thank you so much, sir. It was really nice review that you have given it. Okay, so sir, what's your name?
My name is Devraj Patil.
Okay, that's a great name. Happy to know it. So, sir, could you please introduce yourself concisely so that my audience can know you?
Okay, thank you. My name is Raviraj Patil. I am from Kolhapur, but I am recently stayed in the Pune. I am complete my graduation in BSc Chemistry from Shivaji University.
Oh, that's great. So, how long it has been to learn English?
I am started my English journey before 2 months,
Hmm.
and I am here learn many things. Saloni ma'am sir taught me many things, many activities do here. So I think I am improve my English language.
Okay, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, could you please tell something about the institute and the teachers' behavior, how it is towards the students, as well as means why have you chosen this institute only? Because there are many institutes. There are many institutes in the locality, but why have you chosen only this one? What special that you have gotten?
I choose institute because of there are the many facilities. Their teacher behavior are very good. The teaching quality are very good. Here are the many computers, many things for the learning, for the gaining knowledge. So that's why I'm joining this institute.
Okay. Thank you so much for your precious answers as well as time. Apart from it, I would like to answer you one question that means if you literally want to share your experience towards English, okay, to the audience, what would you like to share them?
I'll share my journey in a small way. First, when I start my English journey, that time I'm feel very low confidence and I not speak very well. I don't understand about the English. But after joining this class, I improve myself little bit. And now today I'm speaking very well rather than first day. And I think it is about only for it's because of the only this institute. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. So guys, as you have seen that directly I went to the students and I asked the questions about the institute as well as the teaching quality. It is literally good. They have given the positive review. So guys, if you literally liked this means video, so please do share, do like, do subscribe to this because the channel. So, Miss, likewise, the blogging activity is conducted, and you can get the different scenario criteria where you can do the blogging. For an example, if you want to go to the particular garden where you have to do the blogging, you can simply take it. You just have to imagine and then you can do the activity where you have to work upon the opening and as well as ending it. So likewise you can also enhance your English with the help of the blogging activity. So I hope that you literally liked it and it was quite informative. So thank you so much for visiting to this channel and hope that you would also share to your friends whoever will be literally requirement of the language. Thank you. तो लाइट कहाँ मिला?
चार्जिंग
में ना
अपनी रुचि की तरफ से
let me see how it is.